Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by opening the sheet and selecting the cells you want to recolor. This is the action that triggers formatting options. Once selected, click the text color icon in the toolbar to reveal preset swatches and a custom option. This saves time versus menu hunting. Make sure you have edit permission because view-only mode disables color tools. If you need a precise match, choose Custom and prepare the hex or RGB value. This keeps branding consistent and avoids guesswork. After opening the color picker, select a preset or click Custom to enter a hex code. This ensures exact hues. Once chosen, the change applies immediately, but for rules-based coloring, use format conditional formatting and set the condition, color, and range. This automates visuals for new entries. Make sure to set the correct range notation, for example A2, A100, to avoid accidental application. Also, note that text color is independent of fill color. Adjust both if needed for contrast. Finally, confirm the changes by scanning the sheet and testing on another device. Different screens can render colors differently, so make sure text remains legible. If you need to revert, select the cells and use Format Clear formatting or undo with Ctrl/CMD+C. Once done, save and share the updated sheet. If colors don't stick, make sure you have edit rights, check for overlapping conditional formatting rules, and clear your browser cache or reload the sheet to resolve display inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.